Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have got another viewer box. If you watch my channel and you have an online store or a retail space or anything like that, and you want me to open a box for you, go ahead and send it to me. Just contact me at hookedonpickin.com under the contact me section. Find out the info you need and send it this way. But this viewer box is from a friend of mine, AJ Lang. She watches all the time and she has awesome deals on her own website. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the website right down in the description below so you can just click on it, and it's also going to scroll across the screen. It is rnrdesignsmarketplace.com. She's got various different things. She has mixed makeup skincare lots from $25 to $50, and then she has mixed clothing lots starting at $25 to $50. This box, I believe, is a clothing lot. So we're going to see what's in it. She also offers a promo code HOOKED, H-O-O-K-E-D. So if you found her from me, you write H-O-O-K-E-D, and every person who puts that in will get a free gift in their box. So that's a really kind of fun thing. So use the promo code HOOKED and then you'll get a free gift. But let's go ahead and get in this box and see what's inside. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so let's see what's inside this box. If you haven't noticed, the camera's not moving. Paul is not here today. So I'm filming just on my own, so I'm going to do my best to make sure you see as best as possible everything in rnrdesignsmarketplace.com box. So this is a clothing box, and I'm going to hold everything up. Oh, it's beautifully packed, very, very full. I love the fact that all of the tags are on it. So this is a Free People one, size medium, $78. It says Aloha, Hawaii. It's a crop top, size medium, Free People, $78 is the full retail price for this piece. This is really cute. Throw a cute tank top underneath it, like a pink tank top or something. That'll look super adorable. Then we have in this one, oh, I love that it's bagged. So this looks like it is a, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the bag because most of these things I like to put on my fire sale. And so we'll either make them available on the fire sale or they'll be on my Poshmark store, which also is linked down in the description below. But if you want to buy a box like this from her, just go to her website. Oh, this is a beautiful sleeveless cardigan. This is a 2X Sienna Outfitters, kind of emerald green, nice sleeveless cardigan, very lightweight, beautiful. Going with the green theme here. So that's a 2X, brand new. You saw me take it right out of the bag. What else is in here? Then we have a Sienna Outfitters, another one. We'll pull this one out of the bag. This one looks really cute. This one is a size large, cute V-neck sweater style, 3/4 length sleeve. Looks like this. This is really cute. If this fits me, this will not be for sale because I will be keeping it. This is really adorable. I love that. So that's a size large blue one. Everybody else is screaming, going, no, I want to buy that on the fire sale. I talk about the fire sales a lot on my channel. Those of you who have been watching and you're maybe new to the channel, you don't know what a fire sale is. Well, every Friday at noon Central Standard Time, I sell a plethora of items. You just get on live and you get to be the first one, hopefully, to get it, and then you can buy it. I bundle the shipping and ship it out to you. And those of you who know, I actually had someone contact me yesterday, and they actually got their box yesterday, which was a Tuesday, and they ordered it on Friday. Here is another here's a PJ set. This is a size large Aria collection. Kind of looks a little bit like a leopard print, but it's got the really soft pants and the soft top. So it looks, let me see if there's a retail price. There isn't on here, but it's all got the brand new tags and everything for that. Oh, we've got another medium hoodie. My daughter was just saying she needed some hoodies. Might have to keep this one for her. So this one, it's a size medium. It does have, it's an Abbott Maine. It does have all of the tags still on it, but it's a nice, cute, dark blue medium. And remember, you can always go to R&R Designs Marketplace.com down in the description below. Here is a nice long, I love these tunic length tops. This one is a medium Calvin Klein jeans, black top, still got the tags on it. A women's medium Calvin Klein jeans, black top, V-neck, real lightweight shirt. And it's got cool, if you can't see real close, that's got really neat beading along the neckline for that black t-shirt. And I love the length. Look how long it is for a medium. That's nice. All right, then we got another Calvin Klein. Love these name brands. Basically the identical shirt I just showed you in white. So this one is Calvin Klein jeans size, this one is a size large. So beautiful one, has beading as well along the neckline. Oh, wait. Would you like another color of the same one? Here you go. Here's a peach colored one, beading along the neckline. Another Calvin Klein. Size large is this one. So we might have to definitely sell these on the fire sale. All right, then we have a really cute pair of shorts. Red shorts, 18W. Gloria Vanderbilt, 18W women's shorts. Nice elastic waistline. It's got pockets in the back and cute little sequins right along the pockets there. So that's really cute as well. So this is an 18W red pair of kind of Bermuda length shorts. And we've got another pair of shorts. This is a size 14 DNKY. So really nice length, so you can wear them longer, or it does have the button here where you can roll them up and button them. These are a pair of gray DNKY size 14 shorts. Really nice pair. So you can wear them at different lengths, which is nice. Some people like them longer, some people like them shorter. Then it looks like I've got a pair of size 10 capris, Tommy Hilfiger. So Tommy Hilfiger size 10 capris, cargo style. So it's got the pockets in the back and then the pockets along the side of the pants. Folded cuffed hem, really cute, lightweight, Tommy Hilfiger. So I've seen Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Free People. So definitely the brands that you would like to buy. Oh, look, here's a purple one. Just like the, but this one's a round neck. Oh, I thought this was like the V-neck. I didn't look at the front. Has cute ruffles, extra large. I might have to keep this. Only I have a shirt that looks almost exactly like this. We might keep it anyway. All right, so this is an extra large, and this is a Design History purple sleeveless tank top. Really cute ruffles on the front of that. Then we have, for your animal side, here you go. Really nice, cute. Is that a button-up cardigan? Yep, it's got little kind of blinged sequins all over it. This is a size medium. It's a white and black leopard print style. Sirius is the name, C-Y-R-U-S, size medium. Really nice white and black leopard print top with 3/4 length sleeves, button up all the way. So you can wear it open or closed. Oh, I found another Tommy Hilfiger, size medium polo. Nice size medium Tommy Hilfiger polo. Looks like very stretchy material. So this is going to be body hugging. Looks like 3/4 length sleeves on it. Just plain on the back, but really nice white Tommy Hilfiger polo with the tag still on it. Awesome stuff. Don't forget to use my promo code HOOKED if you want that free gift in the box. And I have gotten a box from her with a free gift, and she has some really awesome stuff that she puts in there. So don't forget to use that promo code HOOKED, H-O-O-K-E-D. This is a small Calvin Klein. Looks like just hoodie. Really nice kind of charcoal gray hoodie. Looks like that's got a V-neck on the front, 3/4 length sleeve. Well, these look more like elbow sleeves. So they go down to your elbow, a little bit longer than a short sleeve. May fit 3/4 length sleeve depending on how wide your shoulders are. This is a size small. Nice tunic length. That's a nice longer one. Here's another size small hoodie. So I think my girls will be shopping over here today, size small, because they were all saying, I need hoodies. The weather's getting cool and I've grown. And they did, unfortunately. They keep growing every year. Tried to put bricks on their head. It doesn't work. All right, so size small. This is an Abbott in Maine size small, kind of a teal hoodie, longer sleeves on it. Size women's small with the front kind of kangaroo pouch pocket. Then we still got more in the box. Can you believe that? She lines it all pretty to make it look all nice. Okay, here's another one of those. Remember the purple one I pulled out with the ruffles? This one is a size large with black ruffles. Black ruffles on that. size large tank top, and it is still got the tags on it. Design history, plain on the back, really lightweight, but this will be kind of a fun detail. If you want to wear a black top with any color cardigan, this would be a really nice addition because then you won't be so hot with those sleeves. All right, looks like just a few more in here. Here's a nice striped cardigan, or not cardigan, sorry, tank top, size large, a Kenneth Cole. Kenneth Cole, I love this one right here just because it looks like it flows and drapes away from the body. So it doesn't have that it doesn't have that tight hip on it. So it drapes away from the body. So it's kind of a cream color and black vertical stripe, but it looks kind of a little bit of a distressed stripe, which I kind of like. So there's that Kenneth Cole. Then we have a Potpourri, P-O-P-O-R-I, size small top, looks like this. It's got some nice, cute sewn on flowers to add some cute detail to that pink top. So it's a size small, P-O-P-O-R-I. I'm sure I'm butchering the name. Just solid color on the back, but really nice designer t-shirt. Remember, she has mixed makeup box, skincare box starting at $25 all the way up to $50. She's got some candle lots starting at $35 all the way up to $50. She's got some mixed clothing lots starting at $25 going up to $50. And I think she's also added some new things to her store. So just go to rnrdesignsmarketplace.com and you can find what she has there. Ooh, look at this cute top. It's a simple Salente Betro, I think. Anyway, it is a size 2X. Size 2X. Look at that fun handkerchief draping on the bottom. I love those hems. So this is a 2X, sleeveless gray V-neck. Nice shirt. This would be perfect for a cardigan or just to wear sleeveless so you don't get too hot. So we have a lot of fun things in this box. And so hopefully you can go to rnrdesignsmarketplace.com and find your own box that's going to have just as good a clothes with tags on them or in perfectly good condition. So check out her link below in the description. And of course, don't forget your free gift by typing in hooked, H-O-O-K-E-D, and she'll throw a free gift in the box. So hopefully it's been fun to look through all of the fun items that are in the R&R Designs Marketplace box. Look at this. I'm just going to kind of go back through and show you all the amazing stuff. And hopefully we have some of these for sale on the fire sale as long as my daughters don't want to keep everything, or me. Like I want to keep this right here, this black tank top. I want to keep this. See, isn't that cute? I'll have to decide. My youngest probably want to keep this hoodie. So awesome stuff. Awesome stuff in this box. Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Kenneth Cole, Free People, just lots of fantastic items in this box. So if you have a viewer box, make sure that you contact me and we can also show your viewer box on the hookedonpickin.com channel, and that way we can see what you have available for sale, because I love supporting small businesses, especially the small online businesses in this day and age. It's one of the few ways that we can just help each other out and find so many cool, cute things. So you got to see basically everything that was still in the box. Lots of fun, amazing things that I'm going to put for sale on my Hooked on Pickin' fire sales that I have every Friday at noon. Make sure you click the links in the description below so that you see all of the items that she has for sale. And of course, we're back to the first one that we started with. Aloha! Who wants to go to Hawaii? I always talk about going to Hawaii. Maybe we should just do a meet and greet in Hawaii for Hooked on Pickin'. I think that sounds like a great idea. Anyway, so hopefully it's been fun to see everything that you can get in an R&R Designsmarketplace.com clothing box. But remember, she also has candle lots, makeup, and skincare lots, as well as many other fun things on her website. So go check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. And don't forget to use that promo code HOOKED, H-O-O-K-E-D, for your free gift. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey Hey, hopefully you love this video. Make sure you watch more of my videos, which should be popping up around me. Also, if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button if you love this video. Also, hit that notification bell so you know anytime I put out a new video, which happens to be every single day at noon Central Standard Time. So you have plenty of content if you stay tuned to this channel. But one thing I want to remind you of, see this sign behind me, hookedonpickin.com? It's Christmas time. Those of you who love hookedonpickin.com, don't forget you can buy your friends and family a gift card to hookedonpickin.com. And so go ahead and go to Hooked on Pickin, just type in gift cards and you can buy one there so that your friend can buy whatever they want off my website, and they are available right now. So go ahead and get one.